Hello and welcome to presono. This video is all about our offline apps. After installing the app, log in with your email address and password. Next, the dashboard will open up and the app will start downloading the online available data in the background. At the same time, you can already start creating content. During synchronization, rotating arrows are visible in the cloud at the upper right corner. If the synchronization was successful, a tick appears. In case of problems, an exclamation mark will show up. A click on the cloud opens a context menu in which you can check the current status, trigger the synchronization manually, or perform possible actions in case of errors. In this menu, you can also manually switch to offline mode. If no internet connection is available, the app automatically switches to offline mode. When the internet connection is stable, the app works the same way as it does when you are using a browser. If the connection is interrupted or if you manually switch to offline mode, the app uses the last state of the synchronized data. If you start the app for the first time, the synchronization may take some time. Once all the data has been downloaded, the app will only synchronize the latest changes. Now you can work with the app, both online and offline, but more importantly, present without being dependent on a fast internet connection. So have fun presenting offline.